2010 Fitbike Co. Trl2, son. With the Cleveland grips. Very grippy, very nice. Isn't that right, my friend?
Very right.
You get the half link Shadow Conspiracy interlock chain in red. Very nice. Got the Alien Nation black rim, which is red, so it's weird. Got the Oddysey Slim x 4 clear brake pads. As you can see, it prevents paint from chipping off the rim. And got the same rim in the front, plain black. Stock seat, very nice. I like it. Oddysey twisted pedals. And everything else is stock. It's about $500 and 25 pounds. Very nice bike. I recommend buying one. Comment, subscribe. Thanks.